2011 GMC Sierra. I'm working on the brake light switch. Yeah, it looks like. That's the part number. Here is where it's located, on top of the brake pedal, right there. One connector, one bolt. Here is the bracket holding on to the brake light switch. You're gonna loosen out the bolt, and you're gonna push it from the bottom, push up. Here is the bottom angle. You're gonna hook it in. You're gonna hook it in between, and then push through the pin. For the bracket that's holding onto the pedal, you're gonna push in and pull down and put your connector back. Here's the code for the brake light switch. We're gonna clear it now. Should be good to go.